Have you ever poured a bowl of cereal in the morning thinking it's a healthy start, only to feel tired or hungry again just an hour later? If you live with diabetes, this could be more than just a simple breakfast issue. Many popular breakfast cereals that look healthy on the outside are actually packed with hidden sugars and refined carbohydrates that can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. For people managing diabetes, breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day. The wrong cereal can trigger a quick rise in glucose, followed by an energy crash that leaves you feeling sluggish and craving more food. But here's the good news. Not all cereals are bad for diabetics. In this video, we're going to uncover the truth about cereal for diabetics, explain which cereals are safe, which ones to avoid, and how to choose a smarter breakfast that supports stable blood sugar throughout the day. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for before pouring your next bowl. Let's start with an important question. Why can cereal be problematic for people with diabetes? The main reason is simple. Most breakfast cereals are made from refined grains and added sugars. These ingredients digest quickly in the body, turning into glucose and causing blood sugar levels to rise rapidly. This is known as a high glycemic response. Some cereals that appear healthy, like honey-coated flakes, chocolate cereals, or even certain granola mixes, can contain more sugar than a dessert. When eaten in the morning, they can cause a sharp glucose spike followed by a drop that leads to fatigue, irritability, and hunger. But the story doesn't end there. The right type of cereal can actually be part of a healthy diabetes-friendly breakfast. Cereals that contain whole grains, high fiber, minimal added sugar, and moderate carbohydrates help slow digestion and support more stable blood sugar levels. Understanding these differences is the key to choosing cereal wisely. And in the next section, we'll explore the nutritional features that make a cereal diabetes-friendly. So how can you tell if a cereal is actually good for diabetics? The answer lies in three key nutritional factors: fiber, sugar, and whole grains. First, fiber is your best friend when managing diabetes. High-fiber cereals slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, helping prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. Ideally, a cereal should contain at least 5 grams of fiber per serving. Second, check the added sugar. Many cereals contain hidden sugars under different names such as corn syrup, malt syrup, honey, or cane sugar. For people with diabetes, it's best to choose cereals with less than 5 grams of added sugar per serving. Third, look for whole grains as the first ingredient. Whole grains digest more slowly and provide longer-lasting energy compared to refined grains. Another helpful tip is to keep the total carbohydrate count moderate, especially if you pair cereal with milk or fruit. When these factors come together, high fiber, low sugar, and whole grains, you get a cereal that supports stable energy and healthier blood sugar levels. Now that we know what makes a cereal diabetes-friendly, let's look at some of the best types of cereal for diabetics. One excellent option is oat-based cereal. Oats contain beta-glucan fiber, which helps slow digestion and may improve blood sugar control. Another great choice is bran cereal, especially wheat bran or oat bran. These cereals are typically high in fiber and lower in sugar compared to many commercial cereals. Unsweetened muesli is another healthy option. It usually contains rolled oats, nuts, and seeds, providing fiber, protein, and healthy fats that support balanced glucose levels. Finally, whole grain cereals with minimal processing, such as shredded wheat, can also be a smart breakfast choice. But remember, portion size still matters. Even healthy cereal can raise blood sugar if eaten in very large portions. The goal isn't just choosing the right cereal, it's creating a balanced breakfast that keeps blood sugar stable and energy steady throughout the morning. While some cereals can be healthy, others are best avoided if you have diabetes. Highly processed cereals, especially those marketed toward children, often contain large amounts of added sugar, artificial flavors, and refined grains. These cereals digest quickly and can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar. Examples include frosted cereals, chocolate cereals, honey-coated flakes, and sugar clusters. Even certain granola cereals may contain more sugar than expected. Another hidden problem is portion size. A bowl that looks normal may actually contain 2 or even 3 servings according to the nutrition label. This means someone could unknowingly consume 30 to 40 grams of sugar in a single breakfast. The key takeaway is not just avoiding sugar-heavy cereals, but becoming more aware of what's inside the box. Reading nutrition labels carefully and understanding ingredients can make a huge difference in managing diabetes successfully. The right breakfast choice can help keep your energy stable and prevent unwanted glucose spikes. Even if you choose a healthy cereal, the way you eat it also matters. One helpful strategy is to combine cereal with protein or healthy fats. Adding foods like nuts, seeds, or Greek yogurt can slow digestion and reduce blood sugar spikes. Another tip is to add fresh berries instead of sweetened toppings. Berries contain fiber and antioxidants while adding natural flavor without excessive sugar. You can also experiment with unsweetened plant-based milk or low-fat milk, depending on your dietary needs and carbohydrate tolerance. Portion control is another important factor. Using a measuring cup instead of pouring cereal freely can help keep carbohydrate intake within a healthy range. Finally, always pay attention to how your body responds. Monitoring your post-meal blood sugar levels can help you understand which cereals work best for you. With the right choices and mindful portions, cereal can still be part of a balanced and enjoyable breakfast, even for people living with diabetes. So, is cereal off limits for people with diabetes? Not necessarily. The key is understanding which cereals support stable blood sugar and which ones can cause unwanted spikes. By choosing cereals that are high in fiber, low in added sugar, and made from whole grains, you can turn breakfast into a powerful part of your diabetes management plan. Pair your cereal with protein, control portion sizes, and pay attention to nutrition labels. Small daily decisions like these can make a meaningful difference in long-term health. But remember, every person's body responds differently. It's always a good idea to monitor your blood sugar levels and discuss dietary changes with your healthcare professional. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create more helpful health content for you. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.